Good morning, family. Good afternoon. How are you doing? Yes, today I'm somewhere in the middle of the city center. Guys, I want to show you a little bit of my hood, right? This is Maseru, the capital of Lesotho. Right behind me, it is what you call Maseru Mall, Pioneer Mall, I'm sorry. Yes, this is Pioneer Mall. We only got two major malls in the capital city, yeah. Actually, I'm a little bit deep in the parking lot. So right there is the parking lot of the mall. A little bit up there is the mall, yes. But I don't know what captured me to make this video. I realized that we are so close to our prison and the prisoners are actually out. They're out making their own laundry. Let me show you. Yeah, this is our up there. You see, the greenish roofing is actually the central prison. The prisoners are busy doing their own laundry. Yes, I think I don't get caught filming the prisoners. Yeah. So in the middle, up there in the greenish, and again, it is the prisoners. They're making their own laundries. Oh my God. No, you can't see them very clearly, but up there, that is it. Then up there, you see, up in the mountain, next to the mountain, it is what you call the Parliament of Lesotho. It is the biggest. It is up in the mountain. The Chinese did a good job there. They put our parliament up there. We need to be far away from the politicians. You know, they are fake. Then they are liars. Okay, so my people, this is my city. Even though everything is a little bit too far, but I wanted to show you. Let me show again. Right, let me see. Yes, the tallest building right there, just next to the white building. The white building is what you call Maseru Toyota. Then the tallest building back there, it is our bank, Lesotho Bank. It is actually one of the biggest banks, and we've got only 3 banks in Maseru. Our country very small, but I'm really liking the development in our country. Yes, I like it. Now I'm at what you call a taxi rank. The taxi rank, you see. This is the taxis that we take, especially when we go out taking the long distance thing. Yes. Oh, today is very beautiful, guys. It's very warm and everything. Yeah, this is the taxi back there and the operators. They're actually listening to our traditional music. It is a very nice music. And guys, if you need anything, if you want to come down Africa, this is the place to be. Lesotho, come take the trip across the mountains. You will enjoy it here. Now you see everything. We are surrounded by mountains. It is called the mountains country. So yes, we are surrounded by mountains. It's very beautiful, small but beautiful. Hey, this is a little bit of my town. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy it and subscribe. Up until next time. Bye bye.